Trump appears in court to face $250 million fraud lawsuit. In New York Attorney General has accused Trump, his adult sons, and his business empire of widespread fraud. New York former President Donald Trump arrived in court on Monday to participate in a civil trial that accuses him of significant business fraud, entering the courtroom with a stern expression on his face. In a lawsuit brought by the New York Attorney General's office, Trump, his adult sons, his companies, and some of his business partners are alleged to have fraudulently inflated his net worth to secure favorable terms from banks and insurance companies. Attorney General Letitia James herself was also present in court on Monday. Seated in the front row of spectators, Trump, dressed in a dark suit and bright blue tie, walked past James as he entered the courtroom but did not look at her or engage with her. Eric Trump, the son of the former president, is also a defendant in the case. Opening statements before Judge Arthur Engoron were scheduled to begin on Monday, the first day of the trial. There is no jury selection, as the trial is a bench trial, meaning Engoron will decide the case. This is not Trump's first appearance in a New York court. He has previously faced criminal charges related to payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels. He is scheduled to appear in court in that case next year, and he faces criminal charges in 3 other cases in Florida, Georgia, and Washington, D.C. Outside the courthouse on Monday, a group of protesters gathered, with some chanting, "Trump always lies." Last week, Engoron issued a potentially devastating decision for Trump's family business, holding Trump liable for widespread fraud and revoking licenses for some of his flagship properties, including Trump Tower and Trump International Hotel. The decision means that the trial will focus in part on the penalties that Trump may now face, which could be substantial. Attorney General Letitia James is seeking $250 million and a ban on Trump conducting business in the state. The trial, which began on Monday, will examine what Trump, his business, his adult sons, and his business partners did with this false information, according to James, who alleges they used it for insurance fraud and tax benefits.